The first thing we're going to do is go to the local server module in the server manager and click on the link next to Ethernet. Typically it'll say IPv4 address or IPv6. We're going to right click on the Ethernet network connection, and then we're going to click on properties. Then from there we'll go ahead and click on Internet Protocol version 4. Typically we will disable IPv6 unless you are using IPv6 on your network. From there we'll click on properties, and then we're going to type in an IP address that you already have specified. In this case we'll use 192.168.1.10. We'll leave the subnet mask as the default, and we'll enter in the gateway as 192.168.1.1. Our DNS server is going to be itself, because what we're going to do is turn this into a DNS server. The DNS server will be 192.168.1.10. If you have a secondary DNS server, then we will enter that in as well. In this case, we don't. Then click on close. Click on close again. From here, we'll enter in the IPv6 address, highlight Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6, and then you'll have a pre-specified IPv6 address. Basically, you would already have this information in hand since we're statically assigning this to the Windows 2012 server. From here, just click on OK. Once you've entered the information, I clicked on cancel because I don't have an IPv6 address. And like I said earlier, we're going to disable IPv6 on this network. What we're going to do to confirm that we have a properly configured network card with an IPv4 address is take a look at the bottom right hand corner. There'll be an icon in your system tray of a Ethernet connection with a yellow triangle with an exclamation in it. In this case, it says no internet access, but that's only because I don't have the gateway to the internet set up on this virtual machine. You can hover over that, right click, click on Open Network and Sharing Center. From there, you can go to Change Adapter Settings. Once you go there, you can right click on that, click on Properties, and then you can take a look. Go to Properties again, and you see that the information that we had configured earlier has been assigned. We can also take a look at the DNS information, WINS information, just by clicking on the various tabs. You can also change the IP address and configure it by going to the control panel. Right click on the Start menu, click on Control Panel, then click on Network and Internet. From there, you would go to Network and Sharing Center, then click on Change Adapter Settings. Once you're at that screen, you can right click on the Ethernet connection, click on Properties, and you're also able to get back to those dialog boxes that we had seen earlier. You can also change the IP address by using various PowerShell commandlets and through the command line interface. I will go through those in another video, but this video we're going to keep it simple and just use the GUI.